identify, track, and punish every terrorist.
We will identify, track, and punish every terrorist. Strong words indeed, but forget punishing. Even identifying the culprits is difficult for the Modi government. However, it is the UN Security Council report that has confirmed that the Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed was behind the Red Fort blast. A car bomb killed at least 15 people in the national capital, and we learn the truth from the UNSC, not from the Modi government. This raises some serious questions. Why are Indians learning about the Delhi blast perpetrators from an international body instead of from their own government? Why does the Modi government want to conceal this crucial information from Indians? And if Pakistan's role is confirmed, why are we still playing cricket with them? The ugly reality is that Modi boasts about his 56-inch chhati, but when it comes to national security, it shrinks in the face of uncomfortable truth. This dog robot looks amazing, doesn't it? But this robot has turned the Modi government into a global laughingstock. We'll tell you how. This robot, showcased as an Indian innovation at the ongoing India AI Impact Summit, is not Indian at all. It's a Chinese robot. Its real name is Unitary Go-To Pro Robot Dog, openly sold online for around $2,800. And that is where the embarrassment begins. The moment this robot was presented as part of India's AI showcase, Chinese media didn't just claim it as their own, they openly mocked India, embarrassing 140 crore Indians in the process. And what's even more shameful, Modi's own minister Ashwini Vaishnav is pushing the same line, promoting a Chinese robot at an Indian AI summit. Unfortunately for India, what was meant to be a defining moment on the global AI stage has revealed a very different reality. After chaos, mismanagement, theft, internet disruptions, and finally a Chinese robot being showcased as Indian innovation. But then again, we know the Modi government is shameless enough to spin even this humiliation into an eye-catching headline.